What are they doing? Listen and repeat. Part 2. Ski. Skiing. They are skiing in the mountains. Ride. Riding. They are riding motorcycles. Scuba dive. Scuba diving. They are scuba diving in the ocean. Yawn. Yawning. The lion is yawning in the jungle. Hike. Hiking. He is hiking in the mountains. Brush. Brushing. He is brushing his teeth in the bathroom. Read. Reading. He is reading a book in the living room. Write. Writing. He is writing in his office. Now it's your turn. What are they doing? What are they doing? What are they doing? What are they doing? What is the lion doing? What is he doing? What is he doing? What is he doing? What is he doing? Great job. Keep practicing.